Assalamu alaikum everybody. So here I am at a garden centre, Akamba garden centre. So आज मौसम बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. It's a very beautiful warm day. And यहाँ है, they have a variety of tropical plants here and sculptures of zoo animals. So यहाँ इतना अच्छा atmosphere है. You feel like you're in Africa. So I found this place like by chance. So initially I was going to Brookhouse Farm Riding School. So I was going to book a session for my children there. But unfortunately there's quite a long waiting list there. So then I booked it, well I did give my details in. And then I thought, turned around and then I saw this place as I was driving past. So look at these beautiful, beautiful plants. So you can actually buy the plants from here at a very good price. Lots of different plants here. Shade area. That's an ostrich. Metal ostrich. And these are some spider plants. Yellow-green spider plants. Those look like palm tree. Beautiful greenery. Like a hut. So it exposes children to different cultures. My younger daughter, who's 7, like she was in awe of the surroundings. So here there's some beautiful stone butterflies on sticks, stone monkeys and ostriches, birds hanging from the ceiling, stone crocodile, and there's a map here, Kenya and its countries. Some beautiful paintings of Africa. So look at the ceiling. It's like a hut, like bamboo sticks. So here's the gift shop. So we'll go to the gift shop on our way out. Some statues. And the grounds have been designed to mirror Africa. So as you walk in, some parts of it is like stones, gravel, and some parts is like crispy leaves, and some areas covered in sand, beach sand. You see the palm trees blowing. It's a jungle cafe and bar. So that's a lovely small waterfall. It's on the left here. So unfortunately I have done a voiceover because they had lovely African music and African sounds. But then, I'll end up getting copyright, so I thought, I'll just do a voiceover. Never mind. So you can also smell the scent of the flowers here. So here you can see a massive stone giraffe. And they have tables and chairs here so you can eat. So they have lovely decoration as well. Lamp lights. A variety of different trees. I love the greenery. I love nature. So children had a good time playing with the sand. Especially it's good for younger children. They can learn how to write while writing letters. So there were lots of children here enjoying themselves in the sand. Jungle Jerk Centre, and Yaha here they had juice available. Look at that big massive fish. So these plants are for sale. So we're still walking around. So we was here for like around about 2 hours. تقريبا. Tropical house. I love what's the hut? So I'm just showing you around again. Those of you who love plants probably enjoy watching and looking at this. Lots of different greenery, all different sizes and shapes. These are bamboos. Bamboo area. I'm just going around now. And finally, at the gift shop. So this is the way in. So yeah, I told my daughter to be careful not to touch anything. To be careful because the actual stone statues, animals, they're very, very pricey. That's a stone turtle. Or is it tortoise? Giraffes. So that's for £34, 50 pence. So some signs here. Mom and dad yard, bro yard. Ornaments, hanging ornaments. Traditional plates. Elephant. So here is the mini soap stone animals. So these are made in Africa. These little birds. So the wooden birds on sticks. So these are wooden birds. So some of them are wooden, made out of wooden material, and some of them are metal. Looks like iguana. Butterflies, plates, traditional outfits. hanging birds. So it's a lovely colourful shop, lots of different colours. Colourful fabrics, tops. Gallery, Uhuru Gallery. So now it's a time to make our way out. So Alhamdulillah, had a lovely day out with the children. A lovely Saturday. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Look after yourself. फिर मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह. Assalamu alaikum everybody.